Most people plan for the big moving costs, but the smaller ones can sneak up on you. If you are getting ready for a move, here are some of the most commonly forgotten expenses that can affect your budget and your stress level. One cost many people overlook is extra fees from the moving company. This can include long carry fees, stair fees, or charges for bulky items. If your movers need special equipment or have to walk a long distance to the truck, the price can go up. A quick conversation before moving day can help you avoid surprises. Packing supplies can also add up fast. Boxes, tape, bubble wrap, and mattress covers seem small, but buying everything at once can get expensive. Start collecting free boxes early, or ask your movers whether they offer packing materials at a lower rate. Another cost people forget is utility transfers. Setting up new electricity, internet, or water service often comes with connection fees or deposits. Make sure to include these when building your moving budget. If you are moving long distance, remember the travel costs for yourself. Gas, food, hotel stays, and even pet care can all add to the total. These are easy to miss when you are focused on the moving truck. Cleaning is another expense that shows up at the last minute. Whether it is a professional deep clean for your old place or buying supplies to do it yourself, it can take more time and money than expected. And finally, once you arrive, you may need new things for your home. Curtains, shower rods, light bulbs, or simple tools are small purchases that can add up during the first week. Planning for these overlooked costs can help your move feel smoother and much less stressful. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.